This end of the lake can be a one-way ticket to oblivion.
Annihilation, and the dead have no consciousness of anything, or, as we are told, it is really
Socrates said that death is one of two things. Either it is annihilation and the dead have no consciousness of anything, or, as we are told, it is really a change, a migration of the soul from one place to another.
We grew up on the cusp of the Marysburgh Vortex.
Also known as the Great Lakes Bermuda Triangle, largely for its abnormally high amount of ship and aircraft disappearances.
We return again of the thaw. Another winter fades into memory. Stones, streams rush again, extending their banks, bursting forth from a frozen limbo state, like a surge into a sleeping limb. Life shakes away the cold and remembers it again, and in a mad rush extends its reach to wake the sleeping. As we explore our old haunts, we are struck with the feeling that the thoughts left in this place have taken on some remotely detectable shape, remaindered here without us. In our minds and memories, we still wander through these places. Time consumes through these places. Grass grows through the concrete we laid down. The eternal process knows nothing of attachment. It is only our identity that holds on to these fragments to compile our personal histories, our fleeting sense of self. We struggle day to day to reclaim our childlike curiosity, but these thoughts can easily be replaced by indifference and by fear. Our fleeting sense of self taken on some form. Our fleeting sense of self taken on some form. Our fleeting sense of self. In 1950, in a joint venture between the United States Navy and the Canadian National Research Council, a study was begun on magnetic anomalies and other such phenomena. During their investigations, they discovered areas of reduced binding in the atmosphere near the shore on the lake. In one report, these areas were described as pillar-like columns, some almost 1,000 feet across and reaching thousands of feet up into the atmosphere. Inside these columns, some peculiarities were noted in gravity and magnetism, and what appeared to be a reduction in the nuclear binding forces holding matter together, a source of undiscovered forces emerging from the Earth. In an effort to provide a solution to this mystery, present-day writers have suggested, like other mystery zones around the world, the Marysburgh Vortex harbors a doorway into another dimension, an invisible gateway into some realm outside of our reality.